To add a dashboard from scratch, first go to the Dashboard tab. You will be redirected to the default dashboard page. Click the Add icon on the upper right area of your screen. Choose to create a dashboard from Template. Add a dashboard title. The dashboard title serves as the name of your dashboard, then click Continue. The predefined dashboard is now ready. If you want to add more widgets, just drag and drop the widgets. If you want to remove a widget, just click on the red bin icon to delete a widget. Feel free to customize your dashboard. Once finalized, click Create Dashboard to save your dashboard. Your new dashboard is now finally added to your homepage.